Third problem. Find the distance between the line 4x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 and a point minus 2 comma 4. A equation and a point is given. We want to find the distance between the line and the point. Okay. We have the formula for distance from x1 y1 to the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is plus or minus modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus c divided by root of a square plus b square. Here this x1 and y1 are nothing but the given points only. Okay, but we can have this equation as ax1 plus by1 plus c. Also we can have that. Okay, so let me find the distance now. So by using this formula, here the point is minus 2 comma 4, that is x1 comma y1. In this numerator we have ax1 plus by1 plus c, that is the given equation. So just substitute this in the equation. Okay, so that the distance at minus 2 comma 4 in 4x plus 3y plus 4 equal to 0 is plus or minus value of a is 4 here. So 4 of x is minus 2 plus 3 of 4 plus 4 divided by root of 4 square plus 3 square. That's what we have there. We have to simplify now. So plus or minus, at the numerator we have minus 8 plus 12 plus 4 divided by 16 plus 9, which is equal to root 25 at the denominator. At the numerator we have 8. So plus or minus 8 by 5. This is the distance from the equation to the given point. Second division, we want to find the distance at 7 comma minus 3. The same thing. Here at the numerator we have the same equation. Instead of x and y, we have to substitute 7 and minus 3. Therefore, at the numerator we have 28 minus 9 plus 4 divided by root 25. And if you simplify this, we have plus or minus 23 by 5. So that the distance is always in positive. So our answer is 23 by 5 units. Fourth sum. Write the equation of the lines through the point 1 comma minus 1 parallel to x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. We want to write the equation of the lines through the point 1 comma minus 1 and parallel to this x plus 3y minus 4 equal to 0. So this is the equation, given equation. Parallel line is nothing but x plus 3y plus k, because the two equations are only differs with this constant term only. So put plus k here instead of this minus 4. Okay, and then it passes through the point 1 comma minus 1. So substitute 1 and minus 1 here. So 1 plus 3 into minus 1 plus k equal to 0. If you simplify this, 1 minus 3 plus k equal to 0. Therefore, we got the value of k as 2. So substitute in this given equation this k equal to 2. We have to substitute in this equation, so that we have x plus 3y. Here this is 3y. X plus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Second one, given line 3x plus 4y equal to 6. From this we have to take the perpendicular. We want to find the perpendicular line, isn't it? So for this perpendicular line, we have to do one thing there. We have to interchange x and y, the coefficient of x and y here. Here the coefficient of y is 4, so put 4 here, and coefficient of x is 3 here, and put the as 3 here. And in between we have to change the symbol also. Plus will change as minus now. Okay, so we have to change the coefficients of x and y, and the second step, change the symbol for the coefficient of y only. Therefore, we got 4x minus 3y. That constant, as usual, we have to put plus k equal to 0. And then the given point is 1 comma minus 1. So, we have to substitute this 1 comma minus 1 in this. Here 1 and minus 1. So that we got the value of k. 7 plus k equal to 0 is nothing but k equal to minus 7. Therefore, the perpendicular line is, equation of the perpendicular line is 4x minus 3y. Instead of this k, we have to substitute minus 7. So, minus 7 equal to 0. Fifth problem. If minus 4 comma 7 is one vertex of the rhombus, if like equation of one diagonal is 5x minus y plus 7 equal to 0, then find the equation of the another diagonal. Here minus 4 comma 7 is a point, one vertex of the rhombus. If the equation of one diagonal is 5x minus 4y minus y plus 7 equal to 0. We want to find the equation of the another diagonal. Okay, so what are the things given? One vertex is minus 4 comma 7, and diagonal, from the diagram we have diagonal AC is 5x minus y plus 7 equal to 0. Now we want to find the diagonal, equation of the diagonal BD. From the given equation, we want to find the equation of perpendicular line. Okay, so that we have to change the x and y value, coefficient of x and y. It's nothing but x plus 5y. We change the symbol and the coefficient of x and y, so that we have x plus 5y plus k. We have to put k instead of that constant term equal to 0. It passes through the point minus 4 comma 7. That means that one vertex is given. So, substitute here minus 4 plus 5 of 7 plus k equal to 0. Therefore, minus 4 plus 35 plus k equal to 0. It is nothing but 31 plus k equal to 0. Therefore, k equal to minus 31. Substitute this in this equation 1. Therefore, we have x plus 5y minus 31 equal to 0. Sixth problem. Find the equation of the lines passing through the point of intersection of lines 4x minus y plus 3 equal to 0 and 5x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. Here we want to find the equation. That means passing through the point of intersection of the lines. The two lines are given. That intersection of the lines passing through, we want to find the equation. Okay, so through the point minus 1 comma 1, minus 1 comma 2 is given in the problem itself. So we can have the equation as the first line is 4x minus y plus 3 plus lambda into the second equation equal to 0. It passes through minus 1 comma 2, isn't it? So we have to substitute instead of x and y here. Therefore, now we have substitute this value in this x and y. Therefore, we have minus 4 minus 2 plus 3 plus lambda into minus 5 plus 4 plus 7 equal to 0. Minus 3 plus lambda of 6 equal to 0. Therefore, we have 6 lambda equal to 3. Therefore, lambda equal to 3 by 6, it's nothing but 1 by 2. Now, we got the value of lambda. We can substitute this into the value of lambda here. So that we have 4x minus y plus 3 plus 1 by 2 of 5x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. By taking that LCM, we can multiply with 2 by the first equation. That means 8x minus 2y plus 6 plus 5x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0. If you cross multiply that 2, it will become 0. If you simplify this, minus 2y and plus 2y will get cancelled here. And the remaining thing, 8x plus 5x is 13x, and then 6 plus 7 is 13. Therefore, we can say this, find the value of x here. Second division, parallel to x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. Here the given lines, the first line is 4x minus y plus 3 equal to 0. And along with the second, we have to find the second line is 5x plus 2y plus 7 equal to 0, isn't it? So we want to find the values of x and y. So we want to simplify the equation, solve the equation. That's why we want to multiply by 2. So that we have 8x minus 2y plus 6 equal to 0. If we solve these two, we can have this 13x plus 13 equal to 0. That means 13x minus 13, that is x equal to minus 1. And then we want to find the value of y now. From the first equation, if we substitute x, we can get 4 of 1 minus y plus 3 equal to 0. That's nothing but minus 4 plus 3 equal to y, that is y equal to minus 1. So the point what we want is minus 1 comma minus 1. The given lines are x minus y plus 5 equal to 0. From this we can get the parallel line, that is x minus y plus k equal to 0 at the point minus 1 comma minus 1. Therefore, we will get the value of k now. So minus 1 plus 1 plus k equal to 0. We substitute this in this equation, we got this one. Minus 1 comma 1 is 0 plus k, therefore k equal to 0. Therefore, the first equation it will become as x minus y plus 0 equal to 0. That means x minus y equal to 0. Third division, any line perpendicular to x minus 2y plus 1